This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and initiating the update now. Open Settings, go to Update and Security and click Check for updates. This locates the latest Windows 11 build. Make sure you have a current backup and an AC connection so the process won't abort. Once done, allow the download to run. You can continue working while files download. If a firmware or driver prompt appears, approve it so Windows can install compatible components automatically and avoid later conflicts. You now manage the complex middle steps. Watch the download progress and pause it if your network needs relief, then resume when ready. Once downloaded, click Install and follow prompts for optional drivers or firmware, except those for stability. Windows will prepare, then reboot into the installer. Let it complete without forcing shutdown. Make sure to set active hours or schedule the restart so installations happen when you're away. After the main phase, Windows configures apps and settings during finalization. You finish by verifying the update succeeded and resolving any lingering issues. Open Settings, check update history, and confirm the new build number, then test key apps and peripherals. If something misbehaves, update the app or driver via Device Manager or vendor site. For a failed update, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, free up disk space, and reboot before retrying. If problems persist, boot to safe mode and uninstall recent drivers or updates. One key tip: keep backups until you're certain everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.